here from Studio Bloknote. I've got some good news. Tamara Laporte invited me to be one of the guest teachers at her brand new online event, the Mastering Mixed Media Expo. And honestly, that means the world to me. Tam has been a big inspiration for years, and to be invited to teach alongside her and so many amazing artists feel like a bit of a creative milestone. It's also kind of emotional. A few years ago, everything in my life fell apart. I lost my business, my relationship, and for a while, myself. But I kept drawing, I kept art journaling, I kept showing up in the mess, making raw and honest art even when everything felt broken. And now, to be able to share that with thousands of creatives around the world, it feels big. My lesson is called Raw Doodles, and it's all about bold and expressive mark making in your art journal. Using simple tools, a limited color palette, and most of all, courage. In the meantime, I'm also working hard behind the scenes, rebuilding my online school from scratch. I'm developing 2 brand new courses, Notes to Self and the Raw Art Method. These are going to be the heart of everything I do next. It's taking time, but I'm doing the work, and I promise you there is so much beauty coming your way. If you'd like to support me and my work, please use the link below this video and sign up for the Mastering Mixed Media Expo. It's a free event. When you use my link, it helps me keep doing what I love and share it with the people who need it most. Thank you for watching. I really hope to see you in the Mixed Media Expo. Ciao!